Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. I'm Victor Odigoma Ohia. Right now in this class, I am going to show you how to handle this problem. There's something special about this question that made me to want to, resolve it with you because it captures division. It captures bar notations which I handled in the previous classes. Okay, so it captured it. I want to show you how it you are going to see how it looks like in this question, and we are going to resolve it. Okay, quickly, this question says evaluate with logarithm tables. We are still looking at Waec questions on logarithm of numbers. Okay, so evaluate with log table this. So what you do is quickly say number log. You write 6.231 and you write 242.7. The logarithm of this, as I have been explaining, the characteristics is 0 points, and for this the characteristics is 123 is 2 points. So you check 62 under 3 difference 1 from your log table. From your logarithm table, you check 62. So 62 under 3. 62 under 3 is 7945. 7945. The difference one, I'm looking at 62 under 3, 62 under 3. Then the difference 1. Follow that line and go to the difference section, and difference 1 is 1. So this will be 7946. 7946. Then for this, we look for 24 under 2. 24 under 2 is 3838. 3838. Then difference 7. 24. We're going to the difference section. Difference 7. Difference 7 is 12. So I'm adding 12 here. This is 0, carry 1, put it here. 4 plus this 5. Then bring down 3, 8. So this is 3850. 3850. All right. Now, because this is division, we will subtract the logarithms. Okay. So here we go. 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 5, not possible. 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 should be 9, because 9 plus 5 is 14. So this should be 9. 14, yeah. 14 minus 5, 9. Yeah. 9 minus, so this is now 8, because I took away 1 from here to make this 14. Okay. So please let me be sure. 14 minus 5, 9. Okay. So this is remaining 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. 7 minus 3, 4. And then we now have 0 minus 2. That is minus 2. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. But we write it in bar notation as bar 2. So this is what we have from this simplification. Now, because of this, the root 5 here, this value will be divided by 5, and that is where I want to bring us to understand when we were looking at bar 2.4096 all over 5. You remember, please go to that class that has to do with bar notations. I well discussed it. So I discussed it very well. So you can see what I was saying there. that when you have something like this, 5 cannot divide this, and I say bring it up. That's what I said there. So we will have bar 5. And what are we going to do this to return it to this? Is just to add 3. This will return back to bar 2. And in the process, we will be able to, we now add 0.4096, then all over 5. Let me write it over here where you can see what I have done there. So we have bar 5 plus 3.4096 divided by 5. All right, you can see that this can go to this and give us bar 1. Then 5 into 3, not possible. Put your decimal point and call this 34. So 5 divided 34 is not possible, but 5 can divide 30 and give us 6. Remember 4. 5 into 40 is 8. So I mean that is when you in 5 divide 34, it can divide 30 inside that 34 and give us 6. And then remainder 4. That 4 now you add it to this 0, it will be 40. 5 into 40 will give us 8. And then 5 into this will give us 1. Remainder 4. And then 5 into 46 into 45 is 9. So I think these figures is okay. The division, the values can continue, but we'll stop at having gotten to 4 digits after the decimal point. We can stop there. So right now we now find the anti-log of this. So what we are looking at is in the anti-logarithm table. In the anti-logarithm table, what we are looking at is 0.68. Go to the anti-logarithm table and look for 0.68. 0.68 in your anti-logarithm table. You see 0.68 under 1. Under 1 is 4786. 4786. 0.68. 0.68 under excuse me, it's like this is not 0.68 under 1. Under 1 is 4797, not this. Okay, sorry for that. Is 0.68 under 1 is 4797. 4797. One just have to be very careful with this, not just being too fast to make mistake. 4797. Then there is difference 9. So you follow that line and go to the difference 9. Difference 9 is 10. You add that 10. This is 7. This is 0. This is 8. And this is 4. So you write 4807. All right. Having done this, what is the implication of this bar 1? What's the implication of this bar 1? The implication in the previous classes, I was telling us that anytime you come down to this final answer and you have something like 0. Let's say something something or 1 point something something, and you are to find the anti-logarithm, you use this characteristics part, I mean the mantissa part, you find the anti-logarithm value, then anything you see here, add 1 to it. That will be the number of counts where you put the decimal point. But in a matter like this, where you have bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, and so on and so forth, please, anything you see here, just take it as the number of 0 that is going to appear before the first digit. Did you see what I did now? This is bar 1, I'll put 0 point. If it is bar 2, I'll put 0.0 before the first digit. I'm sure my explanation is well taken. So, finally, this is the result one we obtain by solving this problem. Why did I bring us here? To capture this bar notation. Do you get it? To capture that. That's the essence, the reason I brought that problem, just to capture that. And I'm sure this will assist you also in conjunction with the explanations I gave in bar notation class to see how you resolve matters like that. Okay? Anytime you are handling a problem in like this. I'm going to take more examples, critical questions from Waec in line with this so that we can be much balanced to handle any problem that can come, to us from any angle. All right, thank you so much for being part of the class. Please click on the subscription button. It doesn't take anything for you to be notified when we make our upload. Then share this video, please, to your friends out there to help them too. And also like what we are doing. If you have any challenge, put up a problem or state a message in the message section so that we can be able to capture what the challenge is and to partner with you as you partner with us. God bless you.